Hello guys and welcome back to Cooking with Sadaf. I'm Sadaf and today we are going to make one of my favorite all-time breakfasts, which is a quick 5-minute apple pie. It's so easy and it's very healthy. It almost doesn't have any sugar, you can omit it. Well, I've preheated my oven. You can use toaster, air fryer, anything. And I have a toast. I'm using some oat flour toast and I have an apple. You can use any apple, it doesn't really matter what apple you're using. First, I'm going to peel my apple. By the way, one apple will give you 2 of these pies. And then slice it pretty thinly, but not too thin that it burns. You want your slices to be this thin. Then grab your favorite spread, which for me is some fresh organic peanut butter. You can use any other type of spread that you like. You can use, for example, in nut spread, I have to say, and you want to make it not so healthy, go ahead and use some chocolate spread or Nutella or anything that you like. Just something as a glue. And spread it in a thin layer on top of your toast. This is going to act like a glue to hold our apple pieces together. Well, after you have spread it nice, grab your apples and start to move it closer so you can see better. Grab pieces of apple and try to align it like this, like they are laying by each other. And try to start from big, then go to the small piece. My bread has a big hole in it. Yeah, that's it. And after you have done stacking up your apples, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Oh, the smell is already amazing. And after that, I have some brown sugar. That for some reason is crumbly, but anyway, I'm going to put my little pieces of brown sugar on top of the apples. It will all melt and get together, don't worry, by the way. The reason why my brown sugar looks so weird is because it's homemade. It's from a village that they make their own brown sugar. Well, it's nice and ready. And now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. And until the sugar is melted, the apples are soft, and the bread is toasted. Well, let's put it in the oven. Well, if you like apple recipes, don't forget to check out my French apple cake. It is just one of my all-time favorite cakes. I won't get tired of eating or making it. Check it here, it's amazing. Well, I took my toast out of the oven and oh my gosh, just when you open the door of the oven, the smell is amazing. Apple, cinnamon, sugar, on top of a toast, just perfection. Well, it's really delicious and I just love it. It's my perfect breakfast when I'm in a hurry and I just want something hot for me. This is my to-go breakfast. Well, what do you think? Did you like it? What is your favorite toast recipe? Mine is definitely this one. This is very unique for me and I really like it. And well, let me know in the comments what is your favorite toast topping or what you like for breakfast for toast. Well, if you watched it until here, don't forget to smash the like button and let more people know about this recipe and share it with your friends if you like. And if you enjoyed, just hang around with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that we can make the family bigger and I can share more recipes with you. Well, until then, and before you go, don't forget to check this video that I've prepared for you to watch. And I will see you later in the next video.